Can one free tool really handle all your content needs, from dance videos to voiceovers to face swaps? Today, I'm putting MioCreate AI to the test to see if it's truly as powerful as it claims or if it's just another overhyped platform. Let's find out if it can live up to the challenge. I'm Anmol Maven, an AI product analyst at allaboutai.com, and today I'll be giving you my honest take on MioCreate. Let's start. So before we get into anything, I'll just make you guys run through these features that they offer. It says AI voice generator, AI dance generator, AI attractiveness test, an image combiner, and AI text to video. Let's just start with AI dance generator. This one impressed me. It produced a smooth, dynamic result that's really definitely social media ready. I'd give it a solid 4 out of 5 for delivering the exact vibe I was looking for. I'm gonna run this for you guys to have a little bit of the demo. Now, moving forward, the AI voice generator, it was disappointing. Compared to other tools out there, this one just doesn't match up. The voice don't even sound as natural or versatile. Let me play the voice clone it did for my voice.
A state of being. It is a direction, not a destination.
Let me tell you, this voice is nothing near to what I sound like, so it's a 1 out of 5 for me on that front. And I'd say for more advanced voice cloning capabilities, you might want to explore platforms like Vito.io or ElevenLabs, which offer more realistic, customizable voice generation. If there's better things in the market, why would I come to this tool? Moving on to the attractiveness feature, this is something cool. It actually did a decent job, to be very honest. I could see it being a hit for younger audience like teenagers looking for fun with selfies, but for me it's a bit past its appeal. Like if you're mature, if you're old, you probably don't want to know how you look or what your personality looks like, because you know what you are. And honestly, I don't see a point of this feature being in the AI tool, because Facebook has been giving these games for us for forever. So yeah, moving on to image combiner feature, unfortunately didn't perform well at all. It was a disaster. I tried several examples and outcome weren't usable. I mean, look at Miley Cyrus and Selena Gomez, and this is what it has to come up. If you ask me if I had to rate this, it would be a negative score. It's just not there yet. Coming up next is the photos and video face swap AI online feature. It basically just swaps your pictures from one person to another. So I provided it with Selena Gomez again and Miley Cyrus, and this is what it has to come up with. Also, there's a watermark because of course we're using the free version. I think this face swap is okay because you can clearly see that this is Selena Gomez, and you can see that it's a little bit swapped, and that's it. It's not like completely swapped. Next is the multiple face swap option, where I actually put a picture of Ronaldo and Messi and I changed it to Donald Trump and Elon Musk. This is what it has to come up with. I think this feature is still a little bit okay. I still just give it 2 out of 5 because to me these results aren't just perfect. So I tried another group photo and this was the results. Okay, so now if you want to use the face swap feature, you will have to pay. There's a monthly plan, there's a half yearly plan, and there's a yearly plan, and these are the number of credits that you get in there. For more reliable face swapping, I honestly use Remaker AI. It's more seamless and it gives you images in just seconds. Lastly, the text to video AI free generator online. I gave it a prompt that says a girl swimming in the ocean with a purple swimming costume on, and this is what it had to give me.
As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden glow over the ocean, a young girl could be seen swimming in the sparkling waters.
So definitely there's a young girl swimming in the ocean, but with a lot of room for improvement. It produced an acceptable result, but given the quality of similar tools on the market, it just doesn't stand out. I'd give this feature 3 out of 5 because I have Pika, I have Flux One, I have Luma, and many other tools to use from. Then why would I choose something which isn't giving me 5 on 5, So, for your final say, is MioCreate worth it? Honestly, I don't think so. At least not right now. My suggestion to them would be to focus on perfecting one or two features instead of, like running through the whole game. It has potential, but there's a lot of room for improvement. So, if you're curious, let me tell you that MioCreate is free to use for now. So, feel free to check it out. But if you're looking for the highest quality in AI tools, there are other options currently leading the game. So, I would recommend using those. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on MioCreate if you have tried it too. And do let me know in the comments below which tool do you want me to cover next, and I'll do that for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.